Good evening, everyone. I hope you must be enjoying the lockdown in a good way. So, today we will do the format of formal letter. First of all, we will do what is letter. A letter is a means of communication, means we use the letter, we send the letter to each other to have interaction with each other. We send letter to our friends, relatives, colleagues, and at a workplace where we do a job. So we have two types of letter, informal letter and formal letter. So this is letter, formal, informal. Informal letters we write to our friends, family members, near and dear ones, relatives. But formal letter we have two types like business letter and official letter. Business letter means suppose if we have placed any order, if we want to cancel any order, then we call them business letter. Then official letter means if we want to do any complaint against anything, if we want to do request for anything, then we use official letters. Official letter has further four parts. First, letter to editors. Suppose if we want to express our concern regarding anything, then we can write a letter to the editors. Suppose if we have problem of poor water supply, so we can express our views regarding poor water supply to the letter of the editor. Letter to principal, you have been doing this since class 5th, like letter to principal if you want sick leave, urgent piece of work, then you write letter to principal ma'am. Then job application, the last one is letter of complaint. Letters of complaint and letter to editors almost have the same. So now we will do the format of formal letter. In formal letter, first of all, we write down the address of the person who is writing a letter, means yours address. First of all, you will mention your address and pin code is must. Second, you will give a space of one line, then you will mention the date. You will mention the date this way. Suppose today is 26, 26, then name of the month, and then you will mention the year. Give the space of one line, then you will mention the receiver's address along with the pin code to whom you are writing a letter, to whom you are sending a letter. Here you will mention the address of that person. Then come to the subject, informal letter. When we write a formal letter, it is compulsory to mention the subject, that why are you writing a letter. Suppose if you are writing a letter to complain against poor water supply, then you will mention the subject poor water supply. Okay, subject should not be very long, it should be short. Then salutation, if you are writing a letter to sir, you will write respected sir. If it's a ma'am, you will write down respected ma'am. Then come to the body of the letter. In body of the letter, we can write three paragraphs. So first will be introductory paragraph in which we can write the purpose of writing. So our purpose of writing is to complain against poor water supply. Then information paragraph in which you will write down information like what is the reason of, what is the cause of poor water, and what are the effect of poor water supply on people, on animals, on birds. Then what can be the solution, how this problem of poor water supply can be solved. Okay, so these 3 points you will cover. Then last will be concluding paragraph. State your hope, that I hope you will publish my views in your newspaper. Okay, and you will say that I hope concerned authorities will look into the matter. You can request, I shall be thankful to you if you look into the matter. Okay, you will write all these lines. Three paragraph, it is must in formal letter. When you writing a formal letter, it is must to write three paragraphs. Then come to the subscription. yours obediently, you can write yours sincerely also, you can write yours truly also. So these three words you can use when you are writing formal letter. Then at the end you will mention your name and along with the name you will give your signs also. If name is given, then you will write the same name. If name is not given, you can write by name your side also. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.